I've watched with deep concern how some among us continue to mischaracterize General Constantino Chiwenga. Many people mistakenly think he is a radical. Let me say this clearly and without fear. General Chiwenga is not a radicalist. He is a statesman. He is a gentleman. Sabina Mashkubla toka pana pada Lieutenant General Winston Skoge Mabranga. People subscribe or like it on the bill. He possesses more statesmanship and integrity than many who now sit in high office. Many people always say he was party and parcel of the Gukurahundi, the Chiazo Diamond scandals, and the 2018 violence. Let me set the record straight once and for all. General Chiwenga was not part of those things. He was not even involved. These matters were driven and architected by those principally by Mnangagwa and his inner circle at the time. The general's hands are clean on all three. He has never been the architect or the implementer of those dark chapters. I have known the general for decades. We served together through difficult times. I can tell you from personal experience that he is a man of principle, a disciplined soldier who has always blessed the nation above self. Unlike others whose signatures appear on one dubious transaction after another, you search in vain for any shady deal bearing General Chiwenga's signature. Only one name is repeatedly linked to those questionable arrangements, and it is not his. General Chiwenga is not corrupt. He has never been about primitive accumulation or building personal empires at the expense of the suffering masses. He remains the same principled officer who helped steer the country through turbulent waters when it mattered most. His word is his bond. His loyalty is to Zimbabwe first, not to any individual or faction. Those who fear him do so precisely because they know that once he assumes leadership, he will restore order. He will bring back discipline to our institutions. He will put an end to the chaos, the looting, and the reckless governance that has brought our nation to its knees. Under General Chiwenga, Zimbabwe will once again know stability, accountability, and a renewed sense of purpose. Toma developments are Buddha Pampa. And I comment section medals of Ura in Murk Dibam Subject page. So subscribe or like, continue to on the bio icon.